Let's start. Hello, I'm here to present our product, Chatty, a social app to meet new friends. Basically, I will cover 3 points. One is what is Chatty, why we want to implement this, and what are the features we have implemented, and the demo part. So from the start, we think why we want to add another social app. There are Facebook Messengers, WhatsApps, WeChat. They are so popular. We are not just a bunch of students. We cannot do much as they do. So if you think these apps, they are apps to help you connect with your existing friends. So we want to have an app that help you find new friends and do activities together. So our aim of our app is try to build interactions between strangers so they can become new friends. So how do we achieve these goals? There are apps that provide friends that nearby you. So we say, let's just provide a list of nearby friends, strangers, so they will become friends and we achieve our goals. Then we say, probably not. They are not that active to approach strangers. So we say, let's say we have activities, so people can publish activities, what they want to do. If you have the same interest, you can join them. So it's as a breakpoint between strangers, so they can start chatting together. They can join activities. So they can serve as human bondings. Because you do activities together, you spend time together. So you can serve as human bondings. So at the front screen is our activity list, which shows one activity card from one user, what he wants to do, have lunch, from the user summer, and where he wants to do it, and on what date. So if you are interested, you can press I'm interested. You will push a notification to the user that he will get notified. So when you press the publish buttons, you will get these publish activities drop down. So you will fill some active actions for you. So you can press to edit any of these. So what actions you want to do, what people do you want to do, and where do you want to do, and what time do you want to do it. So you will press this, you can have a drop down to choose. If we have pre-listed activities that we will drop from the database from what the users have published. And if you don't have the one you want, you can type a new one. As well, we also still provide nearby friend list. So it says, so we have the icons. So what's the gender, name, how far is he from you, and whether he's online or not online, and what's the latest activities he wants to do. So when you press the icon, you will go to his profile page. So profile page has more information. So it has a list of all the activities that he has published and completed. So he has shared activities, friends have met, joined for so many days. Then one important thing is chats. So we provide instant chats. So when they press the when you press this icon, this list, you will go to an instant chat to chat with him. So this has a message box. So when you send a message, it's being read by the other party. So it has a tick that shows you these are the instance. So when you press these icons, we have text and emotions. So you can choose. And we also have push notification and in-app notification. You have notifications you have not read. You have the alert box that we update. Obviously, you can change your settings. You can change your profile image whether from your album or take a new pictures. And you can mark your activity as completed. So when you mark completed, it will be not displayed on the activity list. So this is on Android, and there is a mobile version is under testings. So I will do the demo now. So this is our web version. How do I switch to? Okay. So this is the icon of our app. So when you press it, So allow the recent activity list. You only display the list that not belong to you. So on the bottom left shows I have 4 unread chats. So if I press unread chats, so I see the unread chats. Okay, let's do a publish activities. So you can press anything. Let's say I want to have dinner with somebody or with a lady at probably Clementi. Today. So I say publish. So you have a new activity published for you to see. So on the so you can see on the other user, he has have dinner with Zuo at Clementi on today. It's just 30 seconds ago published. So if I can click, I'm interested. The web version may not work as wanted. Yeah, it's worked. So I get a push notification. So it says, okay, I'm interested in your activity. Okay, you can click, you will go to the chatting box. You can say hi. You can pick let's go. Sorry. Yeah, so let's send. If you so you can see instant and chats instantly. So you can pick any to see the existing chats. You go back, we'll refresh all the things. And to change profile, you go to settings. So you can say I have already invited. So you can say mark it completed. So you can select from album. no images. Yeah, that's almost all the things to demonstrate. For Q&A. Yeah, it's
Okay, you got me at the... Hello. Okay, you got me at the UI. How many people are there in your team?
4.
Oh.
3 of them are, one is on SCP and 2 of them are on intern.
May I know what framework you use to do your UI?
Actually, we use PhoneGap. It's web-based.
Okay.
So by right, you can deploy this to iOS if you wanted to.
But for push notifications and some part is we still write native code to provide some functionalities.
Okay.
We can port it to iOS.
At this point, anyone that is a registered user will be able to post the activity on a wall.
Yes, anybody.
And then you will basically select who he wants to.
Oh, you mean how the activity list shows up?
Yeah.
It's based on the nearby position. So when you do a post the nearby, when you post an activity, actually we also post your current location. So you assume that you at this point of time when you do the activity, when you publish the activity, is somehow you want nearby strangers to know you.
Okay. Any thoughts on privacy and security in this application?
Yeah, so the reason we don't want to provide WebOS is they can see the source code, so we don't.
No, I mean individual. I don't want people in the recent spate of how people get. Somebody just got charged in court anyway. But is there any way, or is there part of your roadmap where you want to filter certain things out, or don't want to let certain people to have access to you?
But that seems a future goal. Like we will filter some users that they do some advertisement or things that we don't want, so we can ban them or put them into a special zone that they can see each other. They can see others' advertisements and their own advertisements, but their advertisement is separate from the normal user.
All right. So your application don't have the concept of you need to have friends, or you need to have a connection to another person. So it's really a true open system that anyone basically on it will be able to have access to you, and you vice versa to have access to somebody else.
Yes.
Okay.
So regarding the posting of the, what do you call it, the activity, right? So let's say now I want to meet somebody for lunch at, let's say, Vivo City. So this location they're talking about, so only those people that's around me at the point in time when the post can see.
Yeah.
So it's not people at Vivo City that can see.
No.
Okay.
Yeah, because currently for the location you selected, we have provide some location that we have verified that the IP address, the location is correct. But if you post a new location, basically we don't recognize it as whether it's a true location.
Because I'm just thinking, since this is kind of like a getting to know new people type app, I mean, you could be at Jurong, that person could be at Pasir Ris, and both of you want to go to Vivo City for lunch.
Yeah.
Because it may not be people around you that want to go, you see, because it's traveling far from them. Could be that someone that's working maybe at Vivo, and okay lah, let's go and meet for lunch together. So I'm not sure whether the location there is a hindrance or a help in this scenario.
Yeah, for now is we have this plan to incorporate the activities. It's like we want to do the push activity list. So we want to get more. When you join more activities or you more interested in activity, then we try to filter out the activities that's suitable for your location that you usually want to do. Is like if you always interested in rounding, then someone have published go rounding activities, then we will tell you these kinds of things.
Yeah, those will be good as well.
Yeah, but cannot be implemented in such a short time. Yeah.
I like the idea very much because it's something a bit unique. We don't really have it here anyway. Most of the dating apps don't really work. Yours kind of takes a twist to it by getting them to do their own activities. Then that whoever want to come in and try lah. One possible thing would be that maybe they can tag where they want to go, the somewhere part to maybe like Google Map for example. So I want to meet someone for lunch at this place. So because if down there you can actually type things like Vivo City, but people may not know how to get to Vivo City.
Yeah.
Maybe yeah. So you could then tie it to let's say Vivo City, this point in Google Map. Then whoever's interested may be then able to say I'm currently here, I want to get to here. How do I go? So that will be like later on. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.